Are you bored? Exasperated? Angry? Bored? Then you need the sonic screwdriver.
Yes, the sonic screwdriver. It's so fantastic, it's out of this world.
Your cushions are uncomfortable? Turn it into a huge one. Problems with pets? That dog in the cupboard just won't go away.
Mummy!
Then try the sonic screwdriver. Yes, control your pets with the new patented sonic screwdriver by Aztec. Another satisfied customer. And another obedient pet as well. Wife not home?
Curious about hallucinogenics.
Wondering what the sonic screwdriver will do to sugar.
Wondering why when you sniff sugar, it just doesn't taste as good.
Wondering about wondering. Well, with the new patented sonic screwdriver, in just 10 seconds you can turn ordinary household sucrose into
Cracktose!
We all know that's what you mean, Robbie.
Just roll up any old watch magazine and you'll be enjoying your sugar.
Wait. Wish you were a little girl again.
But can't go through another painful surgery.
Well, the patented Aztec sonic screwdriver can solve all your problems. Just watch. And success! The sonic screwdriver wins, well, loses again! Suffering from severe constipation?
Trying to lift a box full of your dead children.
FBI arriving any minute.
You need the strength
And the power,
to lift that box.
only using the sonic screwdriver! Aztec Corporations is not responsible for any loss of limb, head, eye, organs, wife, children, car insurance, middle or index finger, or any loss of brain. This product is also highly exaggerated and it's really just a piece of plastic with a light on the end that does absolutely nothing and will never improve your life in any way. In fact, only complete retards would be compared to buy this product, due to a series of televised programs in which the main character doesn't even have a name. But check your local dealer for all the Aztec products. What? No. Don't worry, this only happens in some cases. Oh dear.